Hi everyone, welcome to Factory Excel. Today we going to learn how to combine multiple sheet into one sheet with a Power Query editor and quick step guideline. In Excel we often need to combine multiple sheet to summarize the data. We create new workbook. The reason is upon the source file update, the new workbook will be updated. Go to Data, select Get Data, select from File, and from Excel Rockbook. We look for the source file. Select multiple items. There are 3 sheets in the source file. Select all the sheets and click Transform Data. The data is now loading to Power Query Editor page. Now we're going to combine 3 sheets records into one main sheet. Go to Ribbon, select Home, and select Append Queries. Select Append Queries as new to have new main sheet. Select 3 or more tables. New append query is now display. Change the name to main and press enter. Go to Home, select Close and load the data to Excel. There's new main sheet and 3 monthly data are loaded to Excel. Recall to our previous Power Query Editor video, the data are loaded from the source file and upon the source file updating, will reflect to the Power Query load file. The main sheets contain all the data from the 3-month sheet. Not necessary to have the monthly sheet in the main file.